What's up, traders? Welcome back for round 2 of Altcoin Spice Day. Next up on our radar, AMP, A-M-P. This coin's chart is looking spicy. Smash those likes and subscribes. Let's get into the content. AMP's chart stood out to me today, and I couldn't say no. Currently trading at 6.95 cents. AMP is up on the day 40%. It's quite an impressive rally, but as traders, what should we be looking for on this chart? As always, supports and resistances. I've gone ahead and prepared this for us. Looking at weekly, monthly, and daily timeframes, we see some major levels. We've already tested our resistance, and that's 7.19 cents. But below us are the more interesting targets, 6.26 and 5.66 cents. I think these prices may be a place to take a position. We don't like to chase green candles here on this channel. So a pullback here could open up a prime opportunity. The indicators on this chart are fire. We see RSI lows coming up on the daily. We see bullish divergence on our MACD with waning selling momentum, and market cipher is looking to pop off. We can see on the chart this 7.19 range has acted as resistance for almost 6 months here. The origin of this resistance may go all the way back to May. Since then, we've seen continuous higher lows and consolidation. This reminds me of ADA before its breakout. Looking into the 4-hour, we see that AMP actually already has backtested 6.2 cents and held as support with a strong bottom wick on that 4-hour close. However, this consolidation leads me to believe that there is a better entry, possibly not too far away. 5.66, we have not come back to test that as support, and while it is not necessary to do so, this would be a snipe. A smart trader may look to take a position there. A stop loss, I think logically we could look down to that 4.85 cents, the swing low of November, to exit a position, and our upside targets can get very spicy. Our 1618 of November swing high to swing low is lining up virtually perfectly with the previous all-time high. That's 12.19 cents. This would be the first logical place I would be looking for a break of 8.5 cents' November swing high. In my opinion, if 8.5 cents is broken, the probability of price retesting its high at 12.19 cents is very good. The fact that the 1618 is overlapping with the previous all-time high boosts my confidence. Zooming out to a more macro picture, we see some bigger, potentially bull run cycle peak targets. Now, these aren't guaranteed and they're not as probable, but they're still consistently hitting during this run, and so I think it's worth looking at. Our larger retracement points price towards 25 cents, a psychological level where we commonly look to lock in profits along with the rest of the market. Our measured move, and this is what really catches my eye, is sitting at just under 40 cents. Even our local extension is pointing at the 3618 at around that level, possibly 40 cents. If AMP enters price discovery, I think it is probable that we see AMP trading at a quarter and as high as 40, maybe even 50 cents. Play this one smart, guys, and keep an eye on AMP. Crown out.